All right, guys. First off, let me just apologize for not being there. I came down with COVID, and I'm going to be out today and then all of next week. And I really, really apologize for that. I didn't think it was going to happen, but it is what it is. So let me go through what we're going to do today. You know that you're taking the quiz. I'm going to go through a few things and then just let you know that next week we will be starting Impulse Momentum and getting ready for the final exam when I return. So, real quick, today you have really three things that you should hope to try to get turned in. So the first one is the FRQ and the multiple choice that we went over last class. So you already should have taken the picture of your multiple choice questions last class. Before you submit that, I did put the answers to the FRQ on here, and I'll show you where that is in just a second. Then there is a problem that I want you to go through as a class and just make sure that you kind of fully understand it. The answer is also provided on this slideshow, and then you'll take the quiz, and then just make sure that your planning lab is good to go. And if it is, then you can get it submitted, and I'll try to get that graded as quickly as possible. Again, I would highly suggest sharing it with somebody and reading over somebody else's, and just making sure that you have all the parts that you need, and it is the way it is, that you want it to be. Okay. So real quick, what's due? So before you take the quiz, submit the multiple choice and the FRQ. If you weren't here, there was one person not here last class. The multiple choice questions are on the slideshow from last class, and you can just go through and enter those and get that turned in. Then you'll submit the dynamics quiz, and then the mystery math lab is due by Sunday. Due Sunday by midnight, but get it turned in early if you can. Okay. So again, here's the FRQ. So take that out and then just look over the answers. So hopefully you can read my chicken scratch and go through and just make sure that you have this. Yes, I know that it needs to be just over 7.5 newtons for it to actually start to move, because static friction will be 7.5 newtons. So anything just over that, but you can just write down 7.5 newtons. Okay. And then go through this problem right here. On the next slide is the answer to it, but this is a kind of a tough question. Work with each other on this, and then go over the answer right here. And then once you're, oops, I'm going to go past that so you don't see it. And then submit your multiple choice and FRQ. And then the dynamics quiz is right here. By the way, the link to submit it is right there. The dynamics quiz is right here. There are 14 questions. Do well. You do get to use your notes, so have those out. The formulas are still on the board as well, but you do get to use your notes. So hopefully that's not an issue. And then when you're done, just work over the mystery math lab and make sure that it is perfect. Okay. Again, I'm sorry I'm not there. I feel fine. I'm a little bit stuffy, but that's it. And I hope you're all healthy and remain that way. So I will see you when I return on the 13th. Okay. Have a great day. Talk to you later.